I like that. I like this, guys. So pretty. Oh, I like that one too. Look at this. Look, ang daming coat, guys. Hanapin natin si Tommy. Let's go find Tommy. Ang daming mga coat dito.
Oh my God, hon. You're killing me.
This is the thing, guys, you're dealing with.
You're killing me. Seriously.
You're really that old now, aren't you?
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning. What time is it, Han? 11. I think it's 11. It's busy, guys. 10 to 10:30 na pala. Mag-ano lang tayo ngayon, guys. Yung binili namin kahapon, mag-gift wrapping tayo, okay? And meron akong ibigay sa asawa ko pala.
Big space, lots of history, stacked with food.
Saturday tayo ngayon. And, yes. So, mag-gift wrapping tayo, guys. Kasi, mga binili. Binili ito ni Tommy. Para sa pamangkin niyang lalaki. Ito siya. And, hindi ito para sa kanya. Kinuha ni Tommy ito para ibigay sa kapatid niyang babae at ibigay dun sa bata. Kasi wala siyang idea kung ano yung ibigay niya. Nakita ito niya. So, yun.
Cookie, cookie, cookie. Nito, cookie. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Mga sinina sa bata. Hand, I'm here. There is this is for you. Tapos na ako, guys. So, yun. Tapos na. It's time na to mag-clean up lang ako dito kasi ang katag-katag na. So, yun. Napakita ko ba sa inyo? Yes, nagluto ako ng ang palaya with egg. So, yun. Yung imumukbang natin. Mag-fried rice din ako. And also, hindi lang fried rice. Magpa-fried bulad tayo. Can you see the garage over the garbage? Look at it.
Okay, the line down is where you're safe.
Huh? Do you really need to close it?
Yeah, I don't like it opening up by itself.
Hold on. Oi!
Okay,
You charge your phone?
How much charge on yours?
78.65.
Then you should plug yours in.
Is this the wire you have?
Yep. Oh, your other one was the same too, but only was pink.
Different color.
Yeah, didn't have any. So here you go.
It's in the side.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Okay, it's fucking flying.
More on.
Yeah, go ahead, go flying. Okay, I guess I have to open your mouth.
In 1,000 feet, turn right. Onto shopping
And the
court.
cloud is really dark.
Right.
Oh, look at the shopping center here. Burlington.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
Yours is heavy that way.
Just follow these people.
We gotta go in here or something.
Christmas, yeah.
I think it's probably down that way.
Yeah. I think it's
Oh, we're at the end of this.
Target over there, Best Buy over there.
In 700 feet, turn right. Onto shopping court.
Oh, we have to turn somewhere
No,
here.
she's trying to send us out so we can go down.
Oh.
Take the next right.
Oh, look at this teacup. Oh, this is not teacup. This is like a thing. Oh, look at this. Oh, we're in Burlington right now, guys.
You can have your tray, Black.
No, that's a baking. Oh, let's see if we can find here yung coffee cup. Coffee cup, guys. Na may ano siya. Hala, hold on. Let me see over here. This is my thing right here. Oh. Ah. Guys, ang ganda nito, guys. Let me look around here, okay? Stop. Let me do this. Let me look. Oh, this is so pretty. Right here too. So pretty. Ang gaganda ng mga ano nila, oh. Punta ako dito ulit kapag may pera na. Look at this pretty decoration here. I like it. Tingnan mo.
They got some nice stuff.
Yeah, they get some nice stuff over here. This. Hi. They get some nice stuff here. I really like that for the walls. The one right here. So nice. Oh, this one, oh. Look at this. I like it. Oh, they have a... May malaki silang frame din. Oh my goodness. Oh, the mirror. The mirror is right here, Tommy.
I know.
I like that. I like this, guys. So pretty. Oh, I like that one too. Look at this. Look at that right there.
Yeah?
Let me touch it. It's really light though. I thought it's heavy. It's light. This one is a... Yeah, I like... Is that a candle holder? This one right here too. I like this. Oh my god, they have a very pretty pieces here. Ito din, guys. Look, tignan nyo. What's that? Let me see. Is there any price here? $7, huh? Oh my god. How much is this? $20. Little pinky chair. Oh, the same thing what we have. No, it's different. Tignan nyo to, guys. Ang ganda. I like that. I like that. Marami silang magagandang gamit dito, guys. As in, yung mga pillows. Everything here for like house decor. They have it. Like, perfect. Oh my god. Right here, this area here. Ang ganda. Nakaka-happy naman dito, guys. Nakaka-happy dito. Daming anik-anik. Tignan nyo to.
I don't want to get you that.
What is that? Crazy cat lady, no? Crazy cat lady daw ako, guys. What is that? I don't...
Look, as if.
Gusto ko to dito, pero malaki siya, guys. Ito siya. Ang laki. Ang daming coat, guys. Hanapin natin si Tommy. Let's go find Tommy. Ang daming mga coat dito. It's what? Ayhan, you really are not nice. Oh, because of the heat from summer.
We got our coat. I don't know if I was crazy about that coat, but it's not like we had too many choices.
Just really keep the receipt. Put the receipt in my car.
Oh God!
Because we can return that. Not now.
Oh, Lowe's is right here.
What do you need for Lowe's?
Kerosene.
yeah.
Oh my God, hon. You're killing me.
This is the thing, guys, you're dealing with.
You're killing me. Your memory is only like that long.
No, because you're talking about Home Depot.
Oh, I'm sorry. Home Depot and Lowe's. Oh my God. Completely different world.
This is what you're marrying, guys. Anyway,
Guys,
so
even computers don't have to be that exact. If I type in Home Depot on a computer, it'll bring me Lowe's in the search.
whatever.
Knowing that, hey, that's what you're looking for. Home improvement kind of store.
Where are you gonna park?
I can't park here. Let's pick up. So I guess I'll park
Right
here.
here. Okay, guys, we're in Lowe's. We just get out from Burlington factory. Okay. Dito kami, guys. Wala pa rin kaming kahumanan. Hindi pa rin natatapos. Hala. Andito kami sa Lowe's. I don't know kung ano yung hinahanap ni Tommy. Hindi ko magets kung ano yung hinahanap niya. Oh, that's the one that you have. But the old version. Right?
Because it's like 30 years old.
30 years old, the one that you have? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You're really that old now, I'm just joking. Hi,
Unfortunately.
I'm just joking.
I'm not.
So where is the I'm not. Why do you say that?
You're not joking.
Okay, guys, we're looking for salt, water softener.
All the way back down to all the way back to the
That's what he said.
That's what he said.
He's- siya, guys. Maganda siya. Ito siya. Maganda talaga siya ito. And, alam niyo guys, doon sa Burlington, ang saya-saya pala doon mag-shopping. Ang daming mga house decoration, ang ganda-ganda. And nakakita kami ng measuring measuring ano, para pang measure, yung mga ano, ganito. Mura lang ito at saka ang dami pa. Oh. Hindi siya plastic, so ano talaga siya, stainless steel talaga siya. And nakita kami ito, mura lang to. Ito siya parang $10 or 12 something. Ito is parang 699. Ito siya, 699. Pang pillar siya, pillar. So, guys, alam nyo guys, meron kaming salad. Ano, clipper. Ito, clip ba? Kaso, pag ganun mo, hindi siya mag-open up masyado. Parang hindi siya maka-pick up kasi sobrang ano, i-try nga natin. Ay, ito maganda to guys, look. Maganda siya. Hugasan na naman tayo to. Ano daw to? Gustong-gusto niya. Yung mga teaser. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, pero ito siya guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Hugasan ito kasi madumi. Ito siya, ganyan. Marami siyang mga ganito. Iba-ibang klase. Andun, gusto niyang bumili ng marami pa. Kaloka talaga. Naluluka ako. Pagpunta ko sa CVS, kasi nag-stop kami sa CVS kasi gusto bumili, may titignan ako. So ito, binili ko to. Ito siya. Regalo din ito guys. Regalo para sa biyana ng kapatid ni Tami na babae. Pupunta siya dito sa Christmas. Good evening. Matutulog na kami. 10 o'clock na. Katatapos ko lang nag-edit ng video. And, so yun. Marami pa ako mga inaanik-anik na ginawa. And hindi pa yan nga finalize eh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hindi ko na natapos. Meron pa sana akong i-rarap para sa gift. Pero hindi siya nararap. Isa man lang yung dalawa. Sa biyanan ko. At saka sa mother-in-law ng sister-in-law ko. And so yun. And we're going to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night guys. Good night.